Good evening, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Well done, my people. I greet everybody. I greet my people. Welcome. Welcome, my people. We get music where I want put where we go to enjoy this enjoyment. Welcome, my people. I greet everybody. I greet woman. Welcome, my people. Welcome. Welcome, my people. Ovie, my Yoruba, Oro Jemahi. Oro Jemahi, my Yoruba. My people, now welcome. Oh, I greet everybody. Now welcome, now welcome, now welcome. Una happy Saturday. Now welcome. I greet everybody. Now me, Princess Odohunoje. Amone Sabiele, Amone Idu Igodomi Godobiele. I never tell. Now welcome, my people. Wetin make me still come out today? I want to let my people know say we na freeborn of Idu Igodomi Igodo. Any stranger can never talk anyhow with us again. Visitor where we tell them to stay, they can never bring we when be really a FCAC for that land. Our ancestors say may we let them know that they are a visitor. They should they should sew their cloth according to their size. That is the word of our ancestors. My people, it got one beautiful school where person said to me, school were not there for even the Europa. They never even get money to build that kind of a school when it did Nigeria. And the school costing there for our beloved state, Idu Igodomi Igodo, where they claim to where they change the name to Benin. That school, swimming pool there. Me not even know say our government don't they do work like that. Swimming pool there. If rain they fall, it gets something where they go press. The school go just cover. And a computer they read for that school. My beloved people, my Nigeria people, yeah, my those state people with zoo people. I want to show now the school when our government they put money, when our government with our traditional ruler that they put money. If you see the school, very fine school. You not even there for the whole world. Only that our country when our prophets in the Kano say everywhere na mad people. Not only that country get that school. I so much love the school. The school now there our government children they go. Now there our kings men children they go. I tell you here, that school too fine. My prophet, Madike, he say that our country, or everybody well it day, not be people where they get sense also the rulers on a mad people. Now let that school that you do. I go show now the school now. The school very beautiful. Now there their children they go. Now there their girlfriends they go. If you see that school when it did that Nigeria, and they can still build that for why do it go to me go do. Oh, that school too good. Let me show una the school. Very nice school. As they sent that school to me, I say I don't know say na so our government come they try now with our traditional ruler. Now our ancestors pray for them. If na that school their children go, he pray for them. Make I show na the school. Very beautiful school
Ladies and gentlemen,
where we never see for life.
this is Arosa Primary School in the heart of Benin, Apapava Road. I'm here this morning because I came to park my car inside the compound and I saw some children. So I thought maybe
Beautiful school.
only for me to find out that it's a
This is the school in Nigeria.
kids are actually having
I
class.
don't
Right
say.
now they're in break. As you can see, it's raining and this is a class
Oh.
where people are. This is a class where people are children are taking lecture. In the heart of Benin, this is a class where children are taking lectures. Something like this is not good. This is not good at all. The government has to come to the rescue of this school right now because this is appalling. This is really, really appalling.
Beautiful
Children
school.
are inside the rain.
Now this school, Mohammed Buhari children go. Now this school, our kids met go. Our kids met children go.
Wrong.
And a boat that they enter there.
I was shocked to find out that this is a school where children take classes. You know, that's a
Oh
school where
my,
children
very
take
beautiful
lectures.
school.
I mean, I'm short of words. I'm really, really short of words. I'm shocked. You know,
Una see the country where it get all year.
one class.
The country where it get gold.
This one only for the first. So
See the
how
school.
they take class for here?
VIP.
So you see, everywhere it's raining, and the kids have nowhere to even stay. So
Oh.
they are outside because they
Nigeria.
cannot even have there's no practically no room
Edo
for them
State.
anymore, you know, and this is supposed to be.
This is the school where they give us for you. Igodomigodo when they change to Edo State. All the whole wide world, more than look this
Because the
school.
rain has driven them from their classes.
Oh my
There are
God.
no chairs, there are no tables.
Now this school, Mohammed Buhari children go, our governor
You know,
children
this
go.
is
Our kids met children go.
Only Arosa Primary School. Where is it located? Apapava. Okay. Well, this
Area we waka.
completely collapsed. This class collapsed. Now, wow.
They not fit put their car to here. Oh.
How do people manage to take classes? Your former class. What class are you?
Oh, may all the whole world see
So where are
the
you?
land where we get all year. That they sell our land. That they sell our land.
Wait. Calm down. So rain is beating her now. So rain is wet you like this now. Was that your own class?
Na canoe they take they read book.
This is
Oh.
unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Una see computer when our governor, our kinsmen, they put for the school.
So now all these class don't fall. So now only these two that's what they use now. Just two class.
Oh,
6.
sorry, Nigeria. This is our country. Zoo, we not the kind of everybody na mad people. My prophet,
Let me apologize.
Ohamadike.
I'm so sorry. This is
Inadikano, Ohamadike. Wanna see Nigeria school.
this is
See children school. You see the way the government love children. See the way our kids men love our children. After the go school finish, they will come and die in Mediterranean Sea. You see the school?
this is wrong. This is completely wrong.
This is the school for Nigeria. That's Nigeria. Animals Kingdom. Mocking Kingdom. My prophet, he say Nigeria zaga. Everything scatter. Buzzer, shutting at the air. That's Nigeria. Mama Dike, he talk, he say everybody na mad people. Everybody, look at the school where children they go. Make us this show and make the world see am. Make Europe see am. Make all the whole world see am. Make us still show the school. That our school, eh?
Ladies and gentlemen,
See the school when Nigeria.
this primary school.
This is the school that the children attend in Nigeria. Look at
I'm
it.
here.
In Edo State.
Park my car inside the compound.
Look at
I saw
it.
Some children, so I thought maybe
Look at the school.
it was an abandoned school.
Make the whole world see am again.
Functional school. And
This is the way our government love our children.
as you can see, it's raining, and this is a
Zakuti school.
This is a class where people
You
are
see,
taking, children are taking lecture. In the
see?
in the heart of Benin.
The whole
This is a class
world
where children are taking lecture.
wanna look at the school, Nigeria school.
This is not good at all.
Edo
The
State,
government
where we
has to
have
come to the
rollers.
rescue of this school.
Let's sell our land.
Because this
Sell
is
everything, no
appalling.
light,
This is really appalling.
nothing.
Children are inside
No
the-
light, no water, no good
taking
hospital, nothing.
classes in
This
school.
is the country.
This is an embarrassment to us. This is an
See.
embarrassment to Nigeria. This is wrong.
This Nigeria school,
This is
when rain is falling, is beating
I was
children in
shocked
this
to find
class.
out that this is a school where children take classes. You know, that's a school where children take lectures. I mean, I'm short of words. I'm really short of words.
Don't
I'm
assist me.
shocked. You know? Una
That's
that break. One class. This one only for the first. So
Now school be this, oh, Nigeria school. Nigeria school. Wanna see am?
see everywhere.
Hey, hey, hey.
And the kids
Nigeria
are not
zaga zaga.
outside because
Everything
they cannot
scatter
even-
scatter.
how they
Poor man, they
don't
suffer,
know what
suffer.
anymore, you know, and this is supposed to be
Go zack bazaar, shutting at the air. Nigeria scatter scatter.
You know, as long as the kids are outside,
Poor man, they
because the rain
suffer,
is keeping them
suffer.
from their classes. There are no chairs.
Shutting
there are
at the
no
air.
tables,
Bazaar,
and
bazaar.
frankly,
This is Nigeria
there's
for
no
you.
floor for them to sit
This
down.
is those
You
pay.
know, this is
Idu Igodomigodo
What's this school
Children's
name?
School, primary school. They call the school Arosa School.
where is it located?
Akpakpava.
Road in Benin.
Yes.
Okay.
Look at it.
No, this. So this. What about this class? Completely collapsed. This class collapsed.
They don't even think about children.
So how
They don't even think about the life, whether the house sink on top of the children. They don't even think it. You know, she said now all mad government could get. Beg, may they go to where Nigeria. May they throw away dead. May they go to where Nigeria. Nigeria is end. See school where children they go. You go see all this one when they feel from Morocco enter. They go say not taught to elders. Not taught to our elders, not taught to our kinsmen. He go to me, go destroy now. And he do go destroy now. When they eat all of our money, when our children for take go school. The spirit of it do go destroy now. When they carry our money, go they build house for different place. They go anywhere, go they hide our money. He do go destroy now. Go destroy now. Now too much. Still put the cow, the other man. Oh, he got another one where I want to show. Wanna see the way.
Welcome, Dr. Maikuyi. Dr. Maikuyi is the President General of the Global Peace.
Wanna listen to this?
Dr. Maikuyi, we want to find out from you this morning issues regarding the Fulani headers. What is your perspective with respect to the open grazing with international best practices as of today?
Well, don't forget that myself, I'm a Fulani man.
Excuse me?
I am a Fulani man. Letter from A to Z, I am a Fulani man. Basically. As a human rights activist, whenever I want to talk about human beings in anywhere in the world, I put myself first in that position. If I want to speak about the Igbo man, I'm an Igbo immediately. That makes me who I am. I am a Fulani man. So I will speak about Fulani with their rights. So what are you saying?
I said, what do you have to say about the Fulani headers, open grazing, with respect to best global practices as of today?
Open grazing. Nobody is grazing openly anywhere in the world today. I mean, that's outdated and something that should not be discussed. I mean, if anybody is advocating open grazing, that is carrying cow from one place to the other, trekking, particularly when we are even abusing the rights of the children and are following the cattle up and down. How will a child of 16 years, 12 years be escorting cattle from Kano down going to Benin? That is rubbish. It should not be practiced. It's outdated. No government should suggest that. If you have cow, rent them and let people come and buy from you. We buy cars from Europe. We go to Europe to buy cars. So what's up for somebody in Nigeria who's in cow to go and buy cow from wherever he wants? We should stop that abuses. Do that think that Fulanis don't have rights? They have their human rights to be respected with dignity. Children should not be allowed to be escorting cow. Neither adults should be doing that.
Okay. So what are you saying? Is it not the culture of the Fulani people to hate?
Forget about this outdated and stupid culture you are trying to refer me to. The children of the Fulanis that are in America and are in UK, are they not Fulanis? Do you fear God? The cows that are escorting, is it their own? Are you not aware that the big men here in Abuja or in Kano or in Sokoto or in
even your upper half cow.
Deprive other people's children and allow them to be suffering because the culture. Which culture?
But
which culture cannot change?
So what do you say to the federal government?
The federal government should petition that outdated principle and don't make us laughing stock in the Committee of Nations.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Michael.
My people, I think I hear that man a Benima. When I hear what he talk. Now so, maybe I don't know whether Naile Binu, I don't know. Maybe Phoebe Azalama. You know, say we went be Isha. What would they call Yoruba people? Na Azalama would they call them. Now today I hear that language, Azalama. Now would they call them? No, we felt they call that, I forget the language. And if you see Isha person one talk say Azalama, now be Yoruba people. All these 11 people, there be Azalama when it come our land. Now there be that, but I don't know whether this human right, where they for Lord or whether na Azalama in be or na do go to. I don't know. You know, all these things when they happen for our country, our president with our kismet, now then they do it. I remember one video when I do where one Isha boy called me. When the Isha boy called me, say my father, if you carry Hausa people come Uromi, bring them, come they follow Lama for Uromi. I remember one Isha boy, he called me. All those people, they work together with Oba Benin with Hausa Fulani. They work together. Because your father bring Lama come Uromi to kill your people. You proud to call me to tell me say what he concern if he the word when he asked me that day what he concern Isha with if they put they negotiate Amy for Edo. Now tell us if Amy come, we go reach your tongue. There are these people. I even refer to this thing for Yoruba land, to Kwara State. Well, the time when they come, now so many people support them for Yoruba land. But the time when they collect Kwara from there, you finish. I even tell the guy, Ishan person. I'm not sure say that guy not really Ishan. That is why when they are reading, if they want to read history for us now, fake history, they will go and find Igodo children. Make them read the history for us. But our ancestors, they monitor them. Any Isha person, both the Igodo, when they go give her history, they make it, they fight them. Ancestors go visit all of them. That's that is the word of ancestors. I want to use this opportunity to advise my Isha people. Anyone, because the ruler, they can never use their children when they come from Azalama, when they come from Ilebinu, they can never use them. Either they use Isha to talk, or they use Igodo children. And they beg una now, because a woman will argue, or we will die. I even do. They stand, no mercy one I go do put. You know they. I even do stand. Any person, when you go see truth, if they cover her up, they go visit her. they go visit and visit in generation. If na old man, they go visit and visit in generation. If na young boy, they go visit am. Make sure say even if he die, no go come alive again. That history go close. I dey beg you, any Asian person, when he want follow the Ilebinu people, they read, waiting, they talk for to favor them concerning waiting ancestors stand put for the slavery when they don't slave us before, since they are century father. Any person when he want join them, they do the propaganda. Ancestors go visit them. And even do go visit that person. He go visit her. Oh yes. He go visit her. And even do go visit her. You think you never go visit that person. Even though you be a person, because that bring me come out to preach the word. As a the preacher, you say you want hide, they do what you they do it. If they go visit you, they nowhere you go hide for ancestors to reach. Nowhere you go hide for message when they say. You know here. Because Ilebinu people, Azalama people, they not go use their people. Now either Idu Igodo or Isha person. Mona not say I not talk. Princess Odohu no the one Idu Igodo and Isha. Mona not talk favor of Alazalama people, of Ilebinu people. Mona not talk. Because we know be one. We not get where we relate. We not get where we be one. They maltreat us enough. Nothing what they never do to us. They don't need our favor. They don't need anything good for us. Look at school, where children they go. A place where traditional rulers they. A place when a governor they. A place when a president they. School, children, call Europe, all the whole Europe, they value children. Now children be person when white men follow pass for the whole life, for their life. They can leave the old person to die, make the children they alive. But those when they say they be ruler, all of them are Europe they go school. Now Ebola they go school, they know value of children. But when they come stay for the throne, they forget. They only keep money for their born children, for their born generation, for the picking where God never even give them, for it best and when God never give them. They keep our money the way they. My people. You go too tough any person where you go they talk for favor of Azalama with Ilebinu people. If Naisha you do change, better run because ancestors now like this they run they tough for the whole place because they don't do too much. Put the other young girl where they hospital. May I still tell the word. Person when he born, government not fit provide hospital where people go they born.
We did for Ottawa hospital like this as with the report. So
people they send up for me. People send up for me this morning.
Young lady when we post our video day before yesterday, waiting for Ottawa hospital for Irua for Edo State. So the young lady now her ward with day now, where she and her baby day. So they've been here for a very long time that we post before. She go to talk to her now. She not they look like this now. So madam, what's it be your name? Talk loud, me to hear you.
Joy.
Your name now Joy. From where? Uromi. Where from Uromi? Amedoshan. Okay. So they tell us say you don't think when you do here, how it take happen? They talk where we made to hear you.
Since I born for you, now I did for you. Now operation I take on. After operation, they carry me go ICU and OZG. They give me OZG for 3 days. Then since then, they can't decide me. They Even when they give me, enough money they pay. The
You
money
think
na
not dey loud?
350,000.
350,000.
Yes.
Now be the total money what they give you.
Yes.
Okay, my people, I greet you now. This one at MC Jima. We there for Otiwa Hospital like this. Okay, my people, I greet you now. This one at MC Jima. We there for Otiwa Hospital like this as with the report. So, okay, concerning the young lady when we post our video day before yesterday, we there for Otiwa Hospital for Irua for Edo State. So the young lady, now her ward we there now, where she and her baby there. So they don't dey here for a very long time that we post before. She go dey talk to una now. Now she know they look like this now. So madam, what be your name? Talk loud, make them hear you.
Joy.
Your name na Joy. From where? Uromi. Where from Uromi? Amedoshan. Okay. So they tell us say you don't think when you dey here, how it take happen? They talk well when they hear you.
Since I go for here, now I dey for here. Now operation I take, and after operation, they carry me go ICU for OCG.
Hmm?
They give me ICU for 3 days. Then since then,
He said na pressure he take born.
the give when they give me, I no see money take.
He said no see money take pay.
Now 750,000.
350,000.
350,000.
Yes.
Now be the total money what they give you.
Yes.
But you know see money take pay.
No.
He don't see money
So
take pay.
what will happen after that time now?
So since then, I can't tell my husband. They no come, they check me again.
The husband even abandon her
Give me again, don't ask.
because they no get the money
Where
to
your
pay.
husband come from?
He come from Cameroon.
Oh, na Cameroon, not be Nigeria. He marry you, abi he never marry you.
He never married.
Una just dey do boyfriend or girlfriend,
Yes.
and you come carry belle. So as you born finish now, you not come know where you dey, you don disappear.
Yes.
You know they check you.
No.
Okay, how long now you don dey for this hospital here?
Now 4 months now.
4 months.
4 months.
Because
How you
na
come dey manage
private.
survive for here?
My only doctor and nurse can they take care of me.
You
They
hear?
dey give you food, eat,
Yes.
and anybody they come carry food and provision give you at all.
Yes.
People shall they help you with food provision and small money to dey eat.
Yes.
And how is your baby?
It's fine.
Nothing done, abi?
4 months, woman born do operation.
Okay.
Nothing.
This thing
No,
like this, ba?
na because this hospital na private. If na government
I just
hospital,
know
this
normal
guy for
dey
die.
healthy.
No, it
Okay. And you yourself dey fine.
yes.
But the problem now be say una need that money to come out for here.
Yes.
Over 300,000. Abi? 350,000. You need 350,000 to come out for this place.
Yes.
But before you come here, what you dey do before? Which work you dey do?
Now work I didn't go.
Which work you dey learn?
Auxiliary nurse.
Auxiliary nurse. So if not because of this condition, now you for not become nurse now be that.
Yes.
Now if you feel come out for here now, you will still go back to that your training.
Yes.
You still go back to that your training. Abi you like to go do another thing again, come out for that training.
If I see money, I think they do business.
Okay, but whether as you come this place, you don't get any money deposit and the hospital they take care of you like that.
Yes, I don't get any money for business.
You don't deposit any money
No.
and they take care of you.
Yes.
They make sure say they do the operation, you born, and everything. They just take care of you, sha.
Yes.
Before they now say me you come pay for the bill, abi.
Yes.
So which word be this one now? This word wey you dey, so which word be this?
This is a postnatal ward.
Eh?
Postnatal ward.
Okay, una don hear am o. No be my mouth na hear am, na your mouth na hear am. Okay, now all right.
My
As e
people.
dey as e dey
people,
go,
na
una don
hospital
hear
be
wetin
this.
this
We
young
keep-
lady dey talk since. She don
A country where government
tell
today,
you na the village wey
a country where government today get born, he born for 4 months. he no see money pay. He dey hospital. Nigeria na country like that. That one a country. That one a country. Where the money, the whole year, where with the year, where till they come they use and they do. They not feel care for their citizen. Small get born. All of the if those when they carry our money come up Yipo, if their pikin get belle, they born, they marry, all of them they for Europe. But they not feel repair our own. All the money when we get that they use and they buy big house for their children, big car. That one a country. That one a country. We need revolution for that land. We know what Nigeria get, the country where we want now na Biafra. Because it don't take when we all they cry, they lament. That country not be country again. Na Biafra we need. Na Biafra we need. See our people. See those states, now be this. Nothing. 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 We not get no help before anywhere. No help. You go see our people. You not see. You not they look social media. The way where it kids men tell they sell our land. That they use and buy house. You not they see their amount for media. Now not see their people. Ilebinu people. Azalama people. Now not see them. Na Ronaldo I be waiting that they talk because they know say Naisha and be. I think I see her put her for slave for many years for palace. I think I see her. Una see their character. Una see them. Azalama people. Ilebinu people. Ilebinu people. All the whole area sa va railoa. Va tu jeloa. Va jari aganene bona. Vario revo gwe. Vaga tikame vote. We reach to stay on our own. We reach. Vaga tikame vote. Because they don't make good for us. No good. Anything good, they don't mean for us. Ancestors still they thought they don't mean any, they don't get anything when they did for us. Look at school, look at our children, look at what did they happen to us. They know nothing. Whether with the die or with the live, they don't care. They don't care. See their people for social media. How this one take fuck. If they not talk about Toto, they go talk about human trafficking. If they not talk about human trafficking, they go talk about pure. If they not talk about pure, Pekin, they go so they are because they not they work. They go find small time. You go see now that palace. They go and make they give the beef for that palace. They go still call the thief our money. That's why you see say all of them they support their kingdom. Make they can't give the chief. They will constantly stay for the kingdom they lie. If you carry case go there now to chop money, now wait till they know. For that our land. If you say vari way, ma se no to poma rule boma. Na gbera azana ma ke na ke zobo. Emi zobo e ke ni azana ma. Emi zobo ma la e ke. Iku we be ma la e yi. Ancestors don't cage all their mercy. If you say vari way, any J, vari way. Varo bono se va grab autono se va. Va jeka zanama mi vale. Va jeka zanama mi vale. Vari way. Vari way. E we aruelo iku oda robo so mo kire we ku o kire we komo. Oni yera me ya tita. Ejerame masa na to boma ko kegbe ma eye kan salama do arunu ma bo ta do foto idu igodo mi godo eye kan salama eye ado arunu ma va ya jo fe mu ba bi so se ribo iku mi ribo e bono se ma ne he o ria ni ne even abe ne roof for so many years e zagara va jo fe mu ba bari obogwe ibiesa Never face the reality. Never face every no sunu davabo tesa. Every no sunu davabo tet godomi gogoto. Vabo nya nevo ni. Meno mono seva princess do huno Geneva tao. Va jo for kwa muwa. Va jo for ya soso ya muwa. Bari abogwe. Bari abogwe. Bari abogwe viesan. Ibiesa bari abogwe. Va gyorio be mi ba kegbe. Va gyorio be mi ba babunu. Va gyorio be bien va faire qui va belong to. Valen everything no sunu. Va because of maybe beads. Va ki ashe I palace ni. I palace si Yoruba no. Eyo se san, eyo si do igodo mi godo. E si va koto. E jaina nia. Enemy do the ba enemy san. E borweja ne muno ne evo tasa. Ogwera ele wuhomo. Ogwera ele wuhomo. Eri ancestor si tai. Eri enemy san tai. Eri enemy reve jan. Nor wota I do igodo mi godo ri eterie. Eri diku na bere tai. Eri tai. Wa bi awogwe. Wa gyo famuwa. Va jo famuba. Va jo famuba. Va jo famuba ba ri owo gwe. Ikunwiri bo ni alu no se va gbe. Emi so se ri bo ni alu. Ba bo ye pikun ne. Va ye pikun ne. E va ma me si dava. E yo siova. O ki ava ekin. Iva sana maneri le done we nyedo. Ile binu. Ogi ava ehi eyo siova babo keke no arule ba ku na ekwa ni ba take destiny no seva bo bono seva obo eni the century father ne da punishment e ka shenema ibiesa obo eni ka shenema e roja ma egbe ba ye gyo famu baba ri obogwe eni je ba ri obogwe e ka mo ba ri obogwe. But take what belongs to una hand. Menomono seva. Princess Odohunoji. Eno hagwale ebore rume. Ancestor siki boy. Ancestor say something do it go to me go do. I even do it. Dig what we do. Over toza. Alwe jobek me. Odohunoji. Okisionori oduwo. Eno hagwale ebore rume moisa. Neriwe webo. Neriwe egeri aje no igwale vita to dare eni mi duki gwogeria eni mi saki gwogeria eni mi ote do ni makire yokpa bote idu igodo mi godo ki gwogeria so shall it be ba jo famu baba ineva ri obogwe ba ye ge eke salama ye ruluwa ba ye ge eke salama ye muba bosoto ezana ma ehin ne kie mi zobo o ehin e ka zala ma ehin ne yiboba ukme fama ru ma mu ekpe fi okpe odo ni ma boy gbe ukmo maki mukmo maki ruon ma ru rapapa e gi ase anyuge dibo ariye kwart osori o bebebo mani wie ibi do igodo mi godo wie sa malu e mu asago vabo tebo no sema emo vai asagware hiero e ka salama bare bogo ebiesa eni mi duri babi ke kori babo tawo ba jo fo baye muba ikumu ni ezagara eni mi du zagara do hunoje alojo bi ekpe oza ovia vato borwe gade muno no rehe ozageria ibi sabari obogwe vai gie ibi asalama mi ba kegbe ba nya otoni okye no to ba bu homofo no resik pe anova de ibi ba yemi otore mugbo ba yemi otore egibari oweyi okye no to ba bu mu dore benuwa deluwa be ebo dore bonobe Abuja dore bonobe ko omuni go akye woyi don't the Mohammed Buhari muni go akye boy ibi sabari obogwe jiwa he mena mona seva princess Odohunoji eni so seri woni alubai Eri mi do time yes time. Princess. Eya wo bo me mereta. Ahu eri mi do. Ahu odohu no ji. O mereta. Even ahu no egbe me. Bet. Ancestors. All say son. Biosi idu igodo mi godo. Idigu nebere. Or ahui. Though the boss say no plan no motor, no moku, no well let there be light. It could be light. Other you well let there be darkness. Other made me be light and the darkness. And now who ni mere dagbari. Or ere dagbari. Don't never tell. Where obone ka salama na zeruba ibesa. Obone eka salama na zeruba. Many money ba bieju no ba egbi Morocco. Eju no ba di Libya. Ma wome go na re bib bisi wina muni money se wane ajo nere anwina e travel but if ya salama ere benu kwa be jebe o money ba se bie ere benu kwa ere boto ba o tabu e borebe ha ya kila bo tabu e bone halosa we go no seba ibiesa we go no si do igodo migodo ba kyo borebe ko wa eti history na yore mawa eti history na yore mawa any jebari obogwe ba go find ya muwa ba talwa any mi do riba bi keke any mi sari ba bi keke o se no bona moto no moku riba bi keke bari obogwe asana ma ye bona mu ekpena e hona mi ba ne ba khulu ba se bo ni re eri ari mi do tai ba jo fa muwa imo ga ji school for emi wina e ase gwa ba obaki wane dori million re akwari wina ne bala kpunyale bala manyale bala o mi poki nyale ba gbomori wo nyale ba wa tikini imoni se ba ni ba bie orari ne eri ne san gbegbedo de ba o se no ba no moto no moku other process do hu no jire dagbare do re tabalwa o pe anoko no no ama mi dame as ancestor secret on any joy enemy do ki return any joy oga mu egbe no re mama uzumi ki knock wu gbe de no se no o se no riani ibi sabari abogwe bari abogwe vani bi actually ebo ma before ikimi o iba kin ikimi ele na me hene enemoni ikimi ebo himi ni ba tie ni ba ge ni ikimi every ikimi no ikimi eye bo that do change ni the beja ikimi ore nini do the buy do igodo mi godo ari abogwe yesa eni so seri wono asunu oboe na ancestor sidari where e did change e ba mo egbe ne re change ibi ere ki mudia ba peti ota eke agu ichifi no se ma bo tesa ore no gbota ebu nu iribo ore so seri wono gbota ebu nu eki mudia ke agu enije ne ribo tesa I omone e kan salama biele omone ne ile binu biele e amudia ba petuge ba uta gbona re je ke agu eni jene sema ni ancestor sidari princess odo hu no ge dagbare omo ko noria bari abogwe yesa eni je you to bari abogwe e kan salama na khule sibe bo mare emu e bo sa salama dori aluba dori asiba koto beti ba ko meri wi sabe ari mi edo igodo mi godo egba ko bo arebo uhumi is imo bone gboni egba ko bo arebo kotis ye da muni kotis na bebo ma abie iku o emu mo beke omoni ma emoni ku obi ele re je gbede afie revelo ibi sabari obogwe ibi sa ba hwe aba nwono mo ne se ba nerive oredo ne ya de baka zanama eno de baka zanama ancestors di theory o eda jeme ni doctor mawa ancestors di theory eno mo no taro be petuge okay aji do igodo mi godo Iviesa. Vaga deba ho boka. Eno deba ho boka. I generation of soreki oki wea. Eri ancestors is sata. Enemy do tie dig with do tie. E borweja ne hole hebo tesari tie. Ne da he osa yela lavai. Osa yela la muito bobo. Oni yeme bongu na egbi ivi do ikoto mikoto. Egabe for father no say century father. Every ne re muwadi. Enemy do tanya. Enemy satana. E borweja ne muno no hele wa geni no sele dagbare o tanya. Enemy ni ne ru ni ba je le bibalu. Ezaka kwa. Eriara. Mais non mono se va princesse do kunoji. Eno plan idame. Ancestor siki plan idari. Eno le romome. Ancestor siki le romonai. O se no bono moto no moku no we let there be light. Oki le romone noria. No ya we let there be darkness. Oki le romone noria. Bete no mame mi neme dame. Ancestor o se no bono moto no moku. Oki ye return ne mi genoria. Before we aplano. Evi ke asunu wa no sorry. Iviesa, carry your way. Va get can salama gbeba. Gbeba evi no si ba gbe. Writing no se va mi eva e. Carry your way Iviesa. Me no. Amo no se va. Ancestors when you when you wana mawa. Because ene tarawa petuge. Ne Iviesa ivi do igodo mi godo. Oye we mes when you wana mawa. Anything baga rege bara de bazalama name history or history hoge mara divatie ewe ogbonugere gajo waga yogo dodo sugena o ogbalugere gajo waga yogo dodo sugena o Agbalugere gajo Ubaga yega dodo sugeno Agbalugere gajo Waga yoga dodo sugeno Agbalugere gajo Iviesa eno no bi o le gun abe petuge bo tesan anything ile binu people when they ata ba when they na buwa o pa meno ha ro no ga seregbe o ba when they na buwa o pa meno va de no seregbe ba hwe awo Iviesa obi e bo ari obi e bo da ba hwe a ba gbohi ni money ba bie o money ba bie ne ba gbohi ni nega negbe ko because e kan zanama emi no ya sere o eyini e mu ba bi ko ba mo pa ba ka o pari bo tesan ameribo i generator igo ki generator o si ta for FIFA ibo kan ve gbe igo ki generator o ana ko be wudu ewe BP no eji BP igo ki generator no eji BP na generator smoke na enter una chest they no plan anything for na only waiting they plan for na police station because any air that ya amigo oye mun giva at the police station enu gwa yeme erebe gavulo kwa ukwo okia akmanigogo eki eba beki no se idoleti are doleti Iviesa Vasilo ba jivia zanama ge imono se va humu negwe right imono se va ba give zanama ge humu the never tell of Iviesa o ba hu agogo Ibi bani bani talo. Vek petuge. Wata me. Nega talo. Kosani okono ributo. Nega talo kosano. Because ancestors. Ogo nega wuge. Ogo nega because ohoge ba. Ohoge. Oyewo ba. Eva oge gbe. Eva oge gbe kensalama neribu te. I do ne kitchen jikin do. Eva oge gbe. Eva oge gbe. Wa hwen ya. Obi ebo ari obi ebo da. Oida bo ba fai. Iskwiri bon osagbon e boy. Aba wore jugbo. Inene wore jugbo. Ene mu lori nanere amugbo ribo. O to ni ba yere mugbo kienere. Ekienere. Ekienere. No la sick men no va tenir va yem yuto. Ekienere ja era benu wa be gebe be ni bie. Omo ne bo ba se bie. Omo no ba se mu igbagbon. Beti maneri wa gbon. Igo ne are ni mare reve. E banko be Saudi Arabia. E banko be Niger. Eni eta vai. Eni eta vai wie san. Eni eta vai o. Ina dikano talo e mo afibega. E mo abega. E mo abega da kidnapper bi Kenya. Ba hu agogwe bi san. Emi ni malene Biafra. Biafra olokpagbe osenobo no akinwe hotel in Nigeria. Biafra ofo. Mayeji Nigeria Biafra makin Biafra ofo. They will deny that play that if flagging us in Nigeria e re yutu no se arrest no bara. E ro sisi gbene ya. E heavy court e soju no bi Mediterranean Sea. Ba hu agogwe bi san. Ba hu ya. My people, you do igodo. Mona wake up, oh. Mona wake up. Mona not let them. They use una. Mona they read fake history because ancestors they bad about that one. They not they take second before they strike. Any person where they not go give their children to read. Oh, now you do igodo children. I beg. You do. Their name, when it shall they call the Azalama. We they call Ile Binu, they be Azalama. I beg. I beg my people. I beg. Mona hold on, my people. Mona hold on. You say what? Say wow, how? My people. Now hear what I talk. No help where they come from. Anything Nigeria. You know they. Vote they come. All of them then they pass this thing. Door go open. Door of Aso Rock. Door of a government. But when after vote, they go measure cup of rice. Cup of Maggi. How many Maggi? 2 Maggi. I be seed of Maggi 2. They go give una half a Coke, bottle of Coke. They have 3 people go share 1 bottle. After the vote, but I don't know what is the wrong with our people. I don't know what is the now medicine that they do now. I be those things when they share. Those are 2 cup of rice. That they put something. Ancestors find out. Whether that they put salty, una go they vote, una not they seek anything inside. What you gonna make una they vote? What you gonna make una they vote? Nothing. If una they sick, no money to carry una go hospital. They not build good hospital. People wanna they vote for. All the thing wanna go take good, they go carry a content they build house for their children. For everywhere they keep money. What you not they vote for, my people? What you not they vote for? What you not don't get for the vote? person wey you vote for na you go hide tomorrow come kill you. Wetin una dey vote for? My people, una no dey think. Una children dey die for Mediterranean. People when I don't vote for, they don't think say people when it dey for Libya make they go bring the come. They don't even talk am. Not be only TV Joshua if they still come. Now only TV Joshua they help them. That one don't die now. Who go help again? No hope. No let TV Joshua be many people hope. If they don't deport them, so go cry, go there. They go see small money when they go take start life, make family no laugh them. Say many years for Europe. No let TV Joshua. He still there, they still talk. People still talk. What do they vote for? They don't know what they do our people. Ancestors. Yeah, they do this thing. Hey, we do. People go hide the kill una. They go come share. They go come share a half cup of rice for una. Evening morning when he go take sleep shoe when be say chuku no go chuku na leg. They no go even share that boot for una. Mona come say and because of boot when they share one mona wear take go farm. When they use cutlass they do. I beg I go try go buy cutlass make I show Europe. Cutlass where our father take they work for farm. I go try go buy am this week. This week when one enter. Make I tell Europeans see cutlass where our father take they work. When it be say they no plan for the worker. Europe here, governments, any person when they work, you they pay your tax. Bank go give you money, low. You go take a face farm, the farm. They go give you tractor. You go that money when you go carry motor where you go take the go farm. Anything. So family you they pay tax. Anything where you can even what did they worry this our people? Our father, what did they worry now? Una don't vote since 1960. Una don't vote. Nothing. Nigeria government, they don't feel provide for una. They don't give una cutlass, nothing they do bad. Una go use and work every day. Work. They go still bring cow. Cut and destroy the farm. Or they put fire burn the farm. Una go still wait another year, make for put. So that make it still germinate again. Before I go still wait again. Before you go still germinate, they go carry cattle enter. You go eat her. What you not the vote for? Where the protection, when the vote, one at the vote, where the committee give una? Where the protection when they give una? Where? Instead of the police when go supposed to the guard una, if anyone fit buy one small motor, second-hand motor, if you go red block, the police go stop you, collect money from you. When you still they walk. What you not they call they vote for my people? Time of vote they come. All of them they do now. They don't put many people for Joshua. Make that they preach about voting. Papa will still come out. Wear slippers. They push leg when they pen away, then they go farm. Go vote. That's why you vote for. You go lock door. Even though they beat you. Or you get accident. When you come up from where they vote, they go house. Motor jam you. They not go listen. They not go care for you. No go to hospital. But if you vote finish, maybe they are picking. Now purge, they go fly. Come Europe. Come take treatment. Oh, our people. Our people waiting. Come on. What you not they do? What you not they vote for? Una know say this life dey sweet. Life dey sweet. The time when me small, when I dey Nigeria, they suffer, they enter bush, they find snake, they go from bush to bush. I don't know say life dey sweet now till when I enter Europe. Now I know say life dey sweet. Police go protect you for Europe. If you dey cry, they go pet you. They go ask you waiting. Oh, our people. If you see Nigeria police, you go run enter bush. If you not see money, give them for your purse, they go kill you. What you not they vote for? Our people, what you not they vote for? Which girl not they gay? One of children take that for Mediterranean Sea? Where they take that for Mediterranean Sea? Oh no. Some still they suffer for Morocco. Some still they suffer for Libya. None of one. When they go think, say, let me go and bring my people. My people, what you not they vote for? My father, my mothers. The youth, what you not they vote for? What you not they vote for? What you not don't see for the vote since 1960? What you not don't see? Mona tell me what you not don't see now. Now they suffer, they train their children. If they still go school finish, they not go get work. They go still manage. Enter route, some go die, some go survive. So they crazy now for everywhere. So now beggars. What you not they vote for? What you not they vote for, my people? No more na see that thing. More na think. More na see that think. About this voting, I go the preacher. Nothing. Nothing what they go do me. Nothing. Any plans he plan against me, ancestors go strike her. Any do go strike her. Una go just they keep people, they keep people, they keep people, they keep people. They use people head, they carry money, they run. The people I don't know whether they suffer in pace, that they smile in pace, that they die. I don't know. What is that they vote for? Which kind of vote is that? What is they don't get for voting? What is they don't get? What is they don't get for voting? Hey, my people. Eh? Mona think. Mona think. I know say some people not go like my talk. But I really do like her. Our ancestors like my talk. Because they know say now the truth at the talk. And some few people, they go like her. People they die. Small get born. He spent 4 months for hospital. Pikin don't already grow. 4 months pikin they get it. 4 months pikin, if they get it. Na country where government they be that. Na country where government they be that. Eh? Una see school. my people, more not think nah. More not think. People they suffer. People they die. No light, no water to drink. NEPA not even they bring light. If NEPA bring once in a week, maybe 2 times they bring for 2 times for week, they go season. If they want, it remains small when they want pay light bill. Now they go come bring 1 day. The one where they not use, the one where they use, they go write the bill, go give them. My people, more na think, oh, more na think. More na think, eh? I know say people know they like truth. And na the truth I talk. Na the truth. And nothing but the truth. Let me talk. Nothing but the truth. Our people. Now the truth I talk. Because truth they bitter. They bitter very well. Truth they bitter. See elsewhere for our land. That they kill. I tell you na that day, Mona not they eat llama. Mona not they eat llama. Mona cow meat. Mona forbid am. Mona forbid cow meat. Oh yes. Mona forbid am. Mona forbid cow meat. Now we they use hand. If we determine to do so, you know what? Like Europe country, their government not they do them anyhow. You go see all of them go come out, talk. No one government not go say me they go they plant, go kill them. Government Europe, all Europe, they not they kill their people. Government not go say me they go kill them. We not get good police. Make they kill people for Nigeria now. They not get anything to investigate. Huh? You know the country where we get oil, get gold, get many things. That one a country. That one not be country. Now spirit they rule us. Spirit, country where ghosts they rule. Ghost. My people. No. Maybe ancestors. I know say that they fight. Everything will change. Our ancestors, they are fighting. Things go change. Things go balance. Things go balance. The fee say as they're holding out the canoe. As they're holding out the canoe. Now he go make the thing good. They don't know say that this one is worst. They don't know. The thing say as they're holding out the canoe. Now he the vote go. Now he go worst. Now the worst thing they do to themselves. The cabals, they do the worst. Our Amadike in the Kano, nothing. They not fit do them anything. They not go. No hand. No hand when go fit kill her. No hand. I promise you not that one. I promise you. No hand. Oh yes. No hand. When go fit killing at the Kano. Any hand when go raise killer. That generation. That generation. Where? My people. Now so I see a ritual. Evening time we get prayer for evening. Mona stay blessed. Now bye for now.